다다음이는 아, 그러면
Okay, I'm down at the Cheonggyecheon with Marie, and lo and behold, what pops up? The freaking TARDIS. TARDIS is in Seoul, South Korea. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a big Doctor Who fan, and I owe that to my friend Cammy, who got me obsessed with the show now. See here, the reason the TARDIS is here is because this is for the world tour. The 12th Doctor is going to be premiering, and their first episode is going to be premiering soon, August 9th, here in Korea, and I'm trying to win tickets to that, but at least I get to see the TARDIS, and then August 9th I will go to the meetup at the IFC Mall here in Seoul to meet those guys. I'm going to meet them, and I'll make a video about that too, okay?